Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through one of the top malls in Jamaica. We're driving through the Boulevard Super Center. Now, not only is this mall one of the top malls, it's also one of the busiest malls in Jamaica. So this mall follows the formula for a successful plaza in Jamaica to a T. Now, you need three things for a plaza to be successful. You need a brand name supermarket or a large supermarket. You need food stores, and you need to build a plaza in a populated area. So this plaza, Boulevard Super Center, is built in the Dehaney Park area, and it's built off Washington Boulevard. So it's a very busy area, a large population, a lot of people. So you have building the mall in a populated area covered. Then you need a brand name supermarket, and they have Lee's Food Fair, which is a large supermarket, modern supermarket, so they have that covered. And then you need food stores, and this plaza has them all. They have KFC, Burger King, Island Grill, Tasty Patties. They have restaurants. They actually have a food court outside of the restaurants that we just named. And this is one of the only plazas in Jamaica where you're going to find 3 drive-thrus. So on the left now, on the right, is the drive-thru entrance to Burger King. And as we go around, it's a massive plaza, a lot of parking space. So we're just going to tour it so you can see everything. Okay, so this is the Burger King straight ahead, and that's one of the 3 drive-thrus. KFC has a drive-thru, and Island Grill has a drive-thru. And I can't think of any other plaza outside of Fairview in Montego Bay. And that is the biggest plaza in Jamaica that has 3 drive-thrus. Fairview is different, with the exception of Fairview, I should say, because Fairview has more than 3 drive-thrus. Okay, we're going to look at the Lee's Food Fair now. This is a supermarket. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, Fairview has 2 drive-thrus. You have the KFC has a drive-thru, and the Wendy's has a drive-thru, but there are no other drive-thru food stores there. So this is the only plaza with 3. Alright, so that is the supermarket. Now we're going to look at some more of the food stores. So the plaza has 2 main entrances. This is one on the left, and as we go around, you're going to see more. You're going to see another one. So this plaza, or we should say mall, because this is more of a traditional mall when people think of a mall in America, right? There's the main entrance that you go through, and then you have the stores you have stores on the inside. Okay, so straight ahead now is the KFC, and there's a drive-thru for the KFC. You have stores on the outside of the mall, but you also have stores on the inside of the mall. And it doesn't matter what time of day it is, KFC is always busy. KFC is actually the #1 fast food chain in Jamaica. So that's the second drive-thru, and then we're coming up to Island Grill now on the right, and that will be the 3rd drive-thru. Here it is on the right, and then straight ahead you can see the Sugar and Spice sign. And Sugar and Spice is the same as Tasty. They just have some stores are called Tasty and some are called Sugar and Spice, but they sell the same patty. Alright, so we're going to exit from the other side and go back out onto the boulevard. Alright, so we're going to exit through this gate now and head back on to Washington Boulevard.